MP3 is the most popular music file format. It is widely used everywhere. It's compatible with almost all electronic devices that play music. If you're looking to convert your music files to MP3, there's no better way than using Video Converter Ultimate. Install Video Converter Ultimate and click on Add Files. Choose MP3 as the preferred output format. Click on Convert. To rename your MP3 files at once, download Easy File Renamer. Click on Add Files and select your MP3 files. Choose your renaming rule from the left-hand side. You can add text, replace or remove text, change text case to upper or lower case, add numbering, swap text, and do more. Click on Apply Rule to add your rule. You can add multiple rules if you want. Once done, click on Rename to proceed.